everyone, welcome back to Usher Business. Today we are showcasing you the methods on how you can earn $500 daily from Google Translate. It is entirely about how to make money online. Are you ready? Well, before we dive into this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to never miss out on more videos we post. Here we begin with how to make $500 daily from Google Translate. Utilizing Google Translate, we can make money online. Surprisingly, you don't need any degree or skills to make money. You need a smartphone or a computer with an internet connection. Earn $10 every 3 minutes utilizing Google Translate. Watch this video till the end to make money online using Google Translate and not miss out on any information related to this. If you don't follow the exact steps throughout this video, results like these will not be possible. So make sure to watch this video till the end and apply everything you learn. Now, the 2 steps to earn from Google Translate utilizing a new method are: Step 1. Firstly, you need to be unveiling a cash-generating tool that brings quick profits to you. Step 2. Secondly, we reveal 3 websites that will pay you top dollar for utilizing this tool. Now we're going to go ahead and look at the tool that you're not going to get paid from, but you're going to use this tool to get paid on 3 different sites that you will need to generate cash. Now, this is Google Translate, the tool you can find from translate.google.com. It has over 100 languages that you can translate. For example, you can translate the English language into or Spanish or French or vice versa. So it's straightforward to translate text from English or any language into another language by using Google Translator. There are people out there that need their ebooks transcribed or their ebooks translated into different languages. They need their videos translated into different languages. Sometimes they even need a transcription. So there is a good scope for you to make money via the Google Translator tool that is so handy and easily accessible. Now, we will teach you exactly where these businesses go to pay people $10 every 3 minutes, sometimes even $100 to translate text. Yes, this is possible, and here is how. You can do it for free utilizing the Google Translate tool. All you have to do is copy-paste the words, and it does all the work for you for free. The website we are showcasing is Fiverr.com. Now, on this website, find a translation. You can see that there are many people here selling translation. If you already have an account, log in or sign in to send you the businesses. They will send you the clients that will want to pay you to translate. This is one of the great freelancing platforms for beginners. So if you're doing it for the first time, this is one of the best places to start. But 2 better places pay even more. The following site is peopleperhour.com. If you haven't created an account on this site, you will create an account for yourself, because as you can find, more people are paying more for translating jobs. The best part about it is you don't have to speak multiple languages. Google Translate will do it for you. So set up your freelancer profile. Then you can just click on the little freelancer button in the top right-hand corner to get started. With People Per Hour is one of the best sites to get started. This particular site gets just over 3.3 million visitors per month. The last site is a viral site as well, and this is Upwork.com. You might know this site as everyone works on this site and earns a lot. This site has over 31 million people per month. It is effortless to get started on this site as well. You just need to visit the Upwork main page. Then you just have to log in to create an account, sign up, and create your Upwork profile. See, this is so simple. With that, we are concluding the video. These are all great ways to get started with making money online. You could earn a few $100. The earning via Google Translate is immense, and if you do this with all your dedication, it can be more. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Until the following video, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for more uploads like this. Remember, if you're not subscribed, you are missing out. See you soon. Bye!